All right, I'm up here in a new construction attic. The guys from Green Star Insulation are getting ready to spray foam the lid, which is all the penetrations, electrical penetrations, HVAC penetrations, exhaust fans, top plates to drywall, and all that kind of stuff here soon with spray foam. I'm gonna have to get out of here pretty soon because it's gonna be toxic, but wanted to show you guys what you can do in existing homes as well as new construction houses to make the house really airtight. And spray foam the lid is one of those things that you can do that most people don't actually think about. So I'll show you how this goes. After they get done with this, a couple days later, they'll come back and blow in some loose fill insulation on top to add more R value to the attic. But this is a crucial step to making the house airtight.
The issues that you see in the infrared pictures here, the top plates not being sealed, the tops of chases not being sealed, electrical penetrations, this is what your house would look like if you didn't foam the lid or seal these penetrations. These infrared pictures are showing you the hot air coming through the ceiling at these common areas. So spray foaming the lid takes care of all these problems in one step.